Duratec Mold Repair Putty is a fast and easy-to-use product that was created to repair minor damage made to molds. This putty makes it possible for a repaired mold to be put back into production in the same afternoon the repair was started. Here are the steps to a successful repair. First, prep the damaged area by roughing up the edges to help bind the product to the surface. Make sure to clean the area of debris for proper adhesion. Next, mix the correct ratio of catalyst using the provided BPO cream hardener that is included with each container of mold repair putty. Use a putty knife and mix thoroughly, trying not to work air into the putty. Apply the putty with slight excess above the damaged surface, as it will shrink slightly when curing but will not shrink after cured. Note that after catalyzing you will have roughly 8 minutes of working time. Allow the putty to cure. Cure times will depend on ambient temperature, but if applied correctly, it will be fast. After the putty is cured, sand it back down to the true surface, up to 1000 grit. Buff and polish as desired after.